workshop with different dynamics. My name is Jessica, and this week's activity is the movement obstacle course. Now I have a set of locomotor movement cards here. Each one of these has a different locomotor movement on it, such as crawl or tiptoe, skip, free choice where you get to choose. You can find a link in the video description to our website where you can download these locomotor movement cards, or you can make your own. Now, I would start by exploring each of the movements on the card with your child and then practicing those movements together. Once you got down the different types of movement, it's then time to create your obstacle course. Start by spreading the cards out and placing them on the ground in a wide open space, making sure you have ample room to move from one card to the next. Now, pick one of those cards to start with and one of those cards to end with. Get at the start card, turn on your favorite music, and go. If you start on, let's say, a hop card, then you're gonna hop in time to the music until you get to the next card. If the next card is then, let's say, a skip card, you will skip in time to the music until you make it to the next card. You can even throw in the element of surprise, and when the music stops, everyone freezes. Now, feel free to modify the movement cards as needed. You can also modify the distance between the cards and the tempo of the music, whether you choose fast or slow music. Remember, it's not about what you can't do, it's about what you can do. Until next time, happy moving!